मैं डॉक्टर मोना, आपकी फिजियो फ्रेंड, पेन डिजॉल्विंग एक्सपर्ट, वेलकम करती हूँ आपका मेरी इस वीडियो में। तो दोस्तों, आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि आप कैसे अपने पेन को असेस कर सकते हैं। जी हाँ दोस्तों, हाउ यू कैन असेस द राइट स्टेज ऑफ योर पेन। दोस्तों, देयर इज अ स्केल जिसको हम पेन स्केल बोलते हैं। इस स्केल से आप एनालाइज कर सकते हैं कि आप कौन सी स्टेज में हैं। हम नॉर्मली पेशेंट को स्केल देते हैं ऑनलाइन ट्रीटमेंट में, ताकि प्रॉपरली बता पाए कि वो किस स्टेज में है। हर एक पेशेंट का, हर एक पर्सन का पेन को लेकर अलग अलग फीलिंग होती है, अलग अलग परसेप्शन होता है। जैसे आई एम वेरी मच सेंसिटिव टू पेन, तो दोस्तों द अदर पर्सन इज दैट कि उसका परसेप्शन थोड़ा अलग हो सकता है। तो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन पर्सन टू पर्सन। इट इज नॉट, इसमें शाय होने की बात नहीं है, या फिर इसमें कोई ऐसा फील होने की बात नहीं है कि आई एम हाइपर सेंसिटिव, आई एम हाइपर सेंसिटिव। इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन पर्सन टू पर्सन। सेंसिटिविटी सबकी अलग अलग हो सकती है। तो दोस्तों, नॉर्मली 1 to 3 स्केल में पेशेंट जब पेन में होता है तो ही इज हैविंग पेन, उसको फील होता है, बट ही इज एबल टू डू हिज नॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज रेगुलरली। उसको एक्टिविटीज करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता। एंड इफ ही टेक सम बेसिक प्रिकॉशंस लाइक पिलो सपोर्ट करके बैठ जाए, या फिर अपना पॉस्चर थोड़ा ठीक कर ले, या फिर कुछ एक ऑइंटमेंट लगा ले, तो वो अपने पेन से बाहर आ जाता है। तो दिस इज द नॉर्मल 1 to 3 scales of pain, that it doesn't interfere with your normal activities. And दोस्तों, the other is your 3 to 8 scale. 3 to 8 में normally patient comes to us. The first 1 to 3 is your mild stage, and 3 to 8 is your moderate stage. 3 to 8 is the stage which is called moderate stage. In this stage, you are having pain and you are able to move, but you feel difficulty in moving. You are having pain in some activities, like people like say that कि I am having pain while getting out from the bed, while reaching to something, or otherwise I am okay. So this pain cannot be corrected by positioning or conservatively at home. And normally patient comes to us in this stage, 3 to 8 स्टेज में। व्हेन पेन में होता है पेशेंट, तो फिजियोथेरेपी विल वर्क ऑन, बिकॉज इनिशियली पेशेंट ट्राई टू कवर हिज पेन, ट्राई टू ट्रीट हिमसेल्फ। सेल्फ ट्रीटमेंट यूजुअली लेता है, एंड समटाइम्स ही गेट रिलीफ फ्रॉम इट। बट व्हेन द कंडीशन परसिस्ट, इट कम्स इन सब एक्यूट फेज, it comes in 3 to 8 stage, then he definitely needs or seeks help. Friends, now we come to the 8 to 10 stage. 8 to 10 scale is the scale when your pain is unbearable and you are not even able to move. You are in such a pain that you need immediate help and you go to hospital. This is the right stage for you. So friends, I am little clear with you the different scales of the pain which will help you to analyze your pain. Now there is a pain which we called it a localized or diffuse pain. What is a diffuse pain? Diffuse pain is like general pain. You are saying pain over here in general area, and your localized pain is like you can pinpoint your pain. I am having pain here only, nothing elsewhere. And the other thing which I want to tell you, there is another type of pain which is called intermittent and continuous pain. Intermittent pain is you are having pain in while you can say that the patient says that I am having pain not continuously. I am having pain in the morning or in the evening or in the afternoon. It is not after some activity I am having pain, or it is sometimes I am having pain, sometimes I am not having pain. And in this condition, patient is also confused whether I am right or wrong, or whether I am in some problem or not. So it is not like that you can neglect this condition. There is something wrong. And the other is your continuous pain. Continuous pain is the stage you are having pain 24/7. You are continuously in pain. You are not moving at all, or you are having, whether it is you are in 3 scales or you are in 8 scale or 5 scale, but you are having continuous pain. And this is the pain stage when you need a medical help, because there is definitely something wrong with you. Now friends, I am coming to the different stages of pain, because it is very important to know you that in which stage you are, so that you can take proper step accordingly. And when patients comes to us in clinic, they usually tell them ki it is in acute stage, it is in subacute or chronic, and it is chronic, then it will take longer time. But why it is? So I am just clearing you over here. Acute stage is the stage which is from your 24 to 48 hours to 15 days of the condition persistence. If the condition persists up to 15 days, or you are having injury, the first 15 days are in your acute stage. And the subacute phase, which we call it after 15 days to your 3 months. Up to 3 months it is in subacute phase. You are in subacute phase. And normally the patient which comes to us for physiotherapy is this stage, that is subacute stage. And your chronic stage, what is it? It is your from 3 months to your 1 year, or whatever you call it. If the condition persists from 3 months to your 1 year, then it is in chronic stage. And when you are in chronic stage, you take longer time to resolve your pain. And when you are in subacute phase, it takes time, but you will be perfectly alright. The acute stage is the stage when you get immediately. Normally you come to us and we say it is an acute case, it is a chronic stage, it is a subacute phase. That's why I am telling you to explore it more, because we don't explain it at that time, but we just call it a acute pain hai, chronic pain hai, ya subacute pain hai. Now दोस्तों, then we will I'm just telling you in brief कि what you can take treatment at your home in that stage. The number 1 is your acute stage. Acute stage में when patient comes to us, we give immediate results within 1 to 2 days. दोस्तों, and you are at home and you can also treat your pain in that case. In subacute phase, and if it is in mild or moderate scale, then you can do icing. Up to 2 weeks, icing, cryotherapy with compression, rest. दोस्तों, there is a technique called RICE. R is for rest, I is for icing, and C is for compression, and E for elevation. जब ये सारे फैक्टर अगर हम कंक्लूड करते हैं एक्यूट फेज में, then definitely you will get your relief. I'm not saying it 100%, maybe 100% sometimes, but you can definitely have 50% at your home. And if it is not resolved, then you definitely contact us. तो दोस्तों, this is the stage which you have to take your steps. Now subacute phase, when the patient comes to us in subacute phase, normally in physiotherapy patient comes to us in subacute phase. In this we give them care, and at this stage usually cryotherapy, that means icing with compression, and your hot packs, both will work depending upon the condition, depending upon the place where we are doing, and depending upon the condition of the patient. But I prefer usually cryotherapy. Now दोस्तों, there is a chronic stage. Chronic stage, after if you are facing the problem from more than 3 months, then definitely your hot packs will work. So दोस्तों, I am here little bit clear about your situation of doing cryotherapy, acute phase, subacute phase और chronic phase में आपको क्या लेना है. Now this is the pain management by yourself, very important. दोस्तों, now I am coming to your self medication. So self medication I definitely not recommend. Why? Because you are saying I have pain, we should take a painkiller and then come out of your pain. तो दोस्तों हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होता. समटाइम्स देयर आर पेशेंट्स विच टेल मी कि हमने मोबिसॉक्स लिया या हमने इस तरह के पेन किलर ले ली और हमारा पेन कम हो गया. दोस्तों तो होता क्या है कि समटाइम्स देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम दैट यू आर हैविंग अ पेन बिकॉज ऑफ द इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ योर जॉइंट्स, इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ योर मसल. तो दोस्तों इन दैट केस एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी मसल्स विल वर्क एंड यू डोंट नो दैट step. So that's why it is very necessary when you are taking the medicine, you should take a advice of a medical professional. Then only you should take a medicine and it will work for you. Now दोस्तों there is a pain called night pain, radiating pain, excruciating pain. Night pain is mostly common in shoulder patient, and with positioning, proper positioning, your 30-degree with external rotation positioning, you can get relief in that case. And there is also a radiating pain. In the pain is radiating, physiotherapy we deal with that and we can help you to come out of it. And definitely you need also your physician or orthopedician's help. Now दोस्तों this is the pain which I explained you, and one more pain which I want to tell you. This is a little bit come out of psychological pain, due to psychological stress. Yes, there is a pain because of your psychological stress, and we have seen so many cases in which we treat the patient, we talk with the patient and he will come out of his pain. He will get more than 50% relief while talking with us, while sharing with us. So दोस्तों when you are having this pain, definitely share it with somebody, your friend, your family member, or with your doctor. Then definitely your psychological stress will come, your serotonin hormone level will come down, and definitely you will help in your pain. And I'm here, I want to share with you that some people used to call that कि when I go to the doctor, जब मैं इस डॉक्टर से बात करता हूँ तो मेरी 50% प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाती है. तो दिस इज द साइकोलॉजिकल स्ट्रेस एंड दिस इज अ पेन. तो माइंड इट नेक्स्ट टाइम दैट इट विल वर्क फॉर यू. I hope I'm clear with this pain. This is a big topic, and at this time I'm just helping you to make it short and help you to manage it by yourself. And if definitely you have still you face any problem, you can call us. We are providing online physiotherapy, online consultations that will definitely help you to completely come out of your problem. Our numbers are flashing on the video and definitely in the description box. You are free to contact us, and please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. And if you have any doubts regarding this topic, pain, which I had explained you can definitely contact me. You can also comment your queries in the comment box. I am here to help you out. मैं डॉक्टर मोना विदा लेती हूँ. मिलती रहूँगी ऐसे इंफॉर्मेटिव सेशंस के साथ आपसे. थैंक यू सो मच.